Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to set menu hierarchy in Odoo. That is what we are going to discuss is how to set menu and its submenus in Odoo. So we all know that it can be done using parent ID for the menu item. So what we are doing so far is, suppose if we need to get a submenu, for that menu what we will be doing, we will be setting its parent ID. So if I go to the PyCharm, and here we have the custom add-ons, and if I go to the OM hospital module, and if I open any of the XML file, maybe I'll open appointment view.xml, and if I scroll down to the bottom, here you can see we have a menu where we have set its parent. In order to come this menu, under this menu what we have done is we have set its parent menu. So there is one more method for the same inside Odoo. Without specifying parent, we can set the menu hierarchy. So we will be discussing about that in this video. That is how to set menu hierarchy without specifying the parent in Odoo. So currently, if you go to the UI, here you can see I have added a new menu called playground. So what I'll be doing is that instead of playground directly over here, I'll be adding a new menu here called technical, and under that I need the menu playground. So let's see how we can do that using the new method. So I'll go to the PyCharm, and in the models folder here I have defined a new model called Odoo playground, and just couple of fields added here. And if you come to the views folder, here you can see Odoo playground view, where I have defined a form view, an action, and a menu item. So this is the playground menu. So what I'll do, I need this menu as a sub menu of a new menu called technical. So what I'll do is that here I'll define a new menu. So in order to define a new menu item, give an ID. I'll give the ID as menu technical. Then you have to give a name. I'll give the name as technical, and I'll put sequence as 110, and parent as, I'll specify this one, parent as this one for this menu only, and I will not close that menu. So I'll keep like this, and I'll copy this menu, Control X, and I will put it inside this one. So let me adjust the indentation, and I'll keep like this and put sequence 10. So here I have defined a menu called technical, and I have set its parent as hospital root, and inside that, so here you can see I'm not closing the menu tag, and inside the tag I have defined another menu called menu playground without its parent. So you can see I have opened the menu item, I didn't close, I have closed it over here, and here you can see I have set menu playground without parent. Now let's restart the service, and let's upgrade the module and see what happens. So I'll go to the UI, and I'll upgrade OM hospital module. So you can see the module is getting upgraded, and if you come to the technical, you can see you have got technical, under that you have got playground menu. So here you can see for playground menu we didn't specify any parent, still it is coming under the technical menu, because here you can see we have defined this menu inside the technical menu. So this is the definition of the technical menu, and inside that I have defined the playground menu. So here you can see here we have set parent root. So if we need to remove that also, what you can do, we can do like what I can say, suppose if it is a main menu, you can do it like this. I'll show you one more example in a different position, and let me copy this, and let me put it over here, and from here I will remove the action playground. So what I have done is I have created a 3-level hierarchy where technical menu will be coming as a root menu here, and under that I have playground 1. Then under that I'm creating another submenu. So here I have created 3 level of menus. Main menu is technical. Under that I have created playground 1, then playground 2 with action. So let's upgrade the module and see what happens. So I'll go to the UI and I'll upgrade OM hospital module. So let's upgrade. So let me try to upgrade once again. So I think there is some error throwing out. So if you check the details, what's wrong here? Menu ID playground 1 sequence. Yeah, here we have specified same IDs. That's why I think the error is coming. So I'll change the IDs. I'll put menu playground 1, menu playground 2, and let's upgrade the module once again. So that's why the error was coming, as we have given same IDs. So here you can see right now the error has been disappeared, and here you can see you will have a new menu called technical. Under that you have playground 1 and playground 2. So here you can see using this structure you can define menu hierarchy in Odoo. So I hope this feature is not used much in Odoo, but it's good to know there is something like this. And I haven't seen much of the people is not using this. I think it's a bit more easy to deal with menu items. So I hope you understood this video. If you like the video, please do click the like button and support us by having a comment and sharing the video with your Odoo friends. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.